The clever Tuni bird. Once upon a time, a clever little bird named Tuni lived in a nest high up in a tree. Below that tree lived a cunning fox in a den. The fox was always scheming, trying to find a way to eat Tuni's eggs. One day, the fox came to the tree and called out to Tuni, "Tuni bird, I want to eat your eggs. If you don't give them to me right now, I'll shake the tree and knock your nest down." Tuni understood that the fox was trying to scare her into giving up her eggs. But Tuni was very smart. She calmly replied, "Oh, dear fox, if you eat my eggs now, my babies will never be born. But if you wait a little longer, I can offer you something even better." The fox, curious, asked, "Something better? What could that be?" Tuni smiled and said, "If you wait patiently, my eggs will hatch into little baby birds. Once they grow up, you'll have much more meat to eat." "Isn't that better than just a few eggs?" The fox thought about it and agreed. "You're right. I will wait." Days passed, and soon the eggs hatched. Tuni, being clever, flew away with her babies to another tree, far away from the fox. When the fox returned, he realized he had been tricked. Tuni's cleverness had saved her and her babies, leaving the fox with nothing. Moral of the story: cunning alone doesn't always work, and intelligence can help one avoid even the toughest dangers.